Welcome to my channel. These products are very high quality on my channel. I've been working on Amazon's best products for a long time. Of course you will like. Check the description box. Please subscribe to my channel. Number 1. BOSTITCH BTFP02012WPK 6 gallon. 150 psi oil-free compressor kit and smart point. Oil-free. Requires no daily maintenance and eliminates risk of oil stains on work surfaces. Lightweight. 29 pounds weight and narrow tank diameter. Make unit easy to carry. Store. Smart point technology. Easy nail placement due to a smaller nose. And no need to compress the contact trip to actuate the tool. Drives. 18 Georgia brad nails from 5/8 inches to 2 1/8 inches length. Number 2. Craftsman air compressor. 6 gallon. Pancake. The portable air compressor is proudly made in the USA with global materials in Jackson, Tennessee. Portable. 6 gallon capacity maximizes portability and stored air for Craftsman air compressor. No maintenance. Durable, oil-free pump of the 6 gallon air compressor is made for long life and no maintenance. Pressure. 150 max psi to ensure adequate cut-inch pressure for a variety of applications. Quick recovery time. 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi. Allows for quick compressor recovery time. Number 3. BOSTITCH Air Compressor Combo Kit. SB 1850B and 18 Georgia brad nailer in the air compressor combo kit. Drives 18 GA brad nails from 5/8 inch to 2 inch. SB 1664 FN 16 Georgia straight finish nailer drives 16 Georgia straight finish nails from 1 to 1/4 inch to 2 1/2 inch. BTFP 71875 heavy duty 3/8 inch crown stapler drives 3/8 inch crown staples from 1/4 inch to 9/16 inch. And 18 GA brad nails from 1/2 inch to 5/8 inch. 1/4 inch X15 PVC air hose includes fittings. Number 4. DeWalt Pancake Air Compressor. 6 gallon. 165 max psi 6.0 gallon tank. 22.7 liters, and 2.6 SCFM delivered at 90 psi pump. Enable long tool runtime with quick recovery for the portable air compressor. High-efficiency motor of the electric air compressor is made for easy startup in cold weather or extension cord application. 14 ga or larger, 50 feet, 15.2 meters. Or less. 78.5 bar noise level of the 6 gallon air compressor is made for a quiet work environment. High flow regulator and couplers of DeWalt portable air compressor are designed to maximize air tool performance. Number 5. Metabo HPT air compressor the tank 8 gal. More pressure. 225 psi provides 38% more usable air for more work and less runtime. 40% more airflow. 5.0 CFM at 90 psi to operate more tools and provide air to the entire job site. Lightweight. At only 93 pounds. You can get more work done with less weight. Easy mobility. Rubber tires smoothly move around the roughest job site. Versatility. Simultaneously run 3 framing nailers, 4 roofing or siding nailers, and up to 5 finish nailers.